Ever wondered if a bird could speak more truth than a person? Imagine this: a cold, foggy morning in London, right outside the Parliament building. A bright green parrot is perched on a lamppost, and it's not just squawking, it's speaking. Clear as day, it says, "Freedom is not locked in cages. It is locked in fear." Naturally, a crowd gathers to police, thinking it's some kind of stunt. Capture the bird. At the station, an officer jokes, "All right then, who taught you to talk?" The parrot simply tilts its head and replies, "A man who lost his voice, but not his truth." It explained it belonged to a teacher silenced for speaking against injustice. The parrot then shared his teacher's wisdom. A uniform does not make you just and protect the weak, or become the reason they fear. News spread like wildfire. Soon, the whole city knew about the wise parrot. The police moved, released it into a garden. Its final words: "Teach truth." But before truth must speak through birds. It reminds us that wisdom can come from the most unexpected places. Thanks for watching.